friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our health spreads for the next week of March, and I've got my sticker sheets here ready to go, as well as the sticker books that I pulled from. Okay, so just a warning, you guys, this spread is all about the struggle bus. I really just thought I had a good idea going in, and it just took me a really long time to figure out something that I liked. So there's a lot of movement, changing things around. So if you don't like those videos, just skip to the end because this one I'm going to explain everything I did and how I changed it in the end. To begin, I thought it would be really good to have a color scheme of pink, purple, and then blue. Those were the three colors I wanted to use. 3 is always a good number for colors. Once you introduce more than 3 colors, sometimes it is really hard to keep it from looking cluttered. And that is what you will see here on the spread, because I pulled some elements from the spring sticker book that had multiple colors, as you can see in that strip at the top. That just introduced some color that I didn't want, as well as these boxes with the small icons in them. Those are also from the spring sticker book. They just, again, added more color and clutter that in the end I just did not like. It was just too much for the eye to handle. So I'm going to add in those boxes as you see here, and in theory this is a good spread. I'm moving things around and not keeping anything too linear, adding some variation. I added in those workout stickers, which I think was a mistake in the end. Just a lot of extra, not smooth lines, just something, kind of chaotic to look at. And that really, I think, was not helping things at all. I'm putting in the stat stickers now. Those were fine. Those were kind of clean and easy. I had 6 with a pink line, and that was all that I had, or pink and purple. And so I took one that I had in a green tone line and then just trimmed that off and put that on my rest day. Just as, you really can't see the line very well, but I just wanted it to differentiate itself from my normal workout schedule days. And I thought that was a good day to put it on, which is on Saturday. Also too, I grabbed this one box sticker and I'm cutting it up into rectangles. The reason I'm doing that is because I've been tracking my calories as of this week, which is the week before this goes out. It's really helping me see how much more I'm eating now that the coronavirus stress is abound. I'm not moving as much because I'm not going to the gym, trying to do home workouts. It's really been hard, you guys. It's been raining, so getting outside is hard, and then, working at home, I don't have the same motivation as I do when I'm in the gym and I'm in that atmosphere. So just trying to figure out a way not to gain all the weight and, keep healthy and keep fit. So just gonna start tracking my calories, like I said, and that's been working out because I've been definitely overeating, and it helped me rein all that in. I see how much I actually am ingesting each day. Like I said, I was cutting up that box square. When I try to cut it, I'm trying to cut out the silver line that is in between each of the rectangles because I don't want silver foil on the spread. The first 3 I tried, really tried to trim out the silver, and I just realized it was futile. It was really too thin and it was showing up in little pieces. So what I decided to do on the last 4 was just to leave the silver line and just trim next to it and then cover it up with washi tape, which you're going to see me do here. I think this was a better technique. However, things will change up again, so you will see this doesn't stay. But as far as looking good, I actually do like this part of it. But again, it added that pop of black, which was like another color that draws your eye. So again, it just added a little bit too much visual clutter. I also cut up a few quotes to put here in my focus area, and I almost forgot again to white out those lines so that it looked a little bit smoother. But I'm going to kind of compartmentalize the boxes. So, the first half of the week we'll have one kind of quote with it, and then the second half of the week we'll have another quote. And I decided to add in these vertical line stickers. Again, I think another mistake. I was trying to keep that color scheme going, but it just became to be too much. I do like this quote though. It's perfect for the way I'm feeling now. It says, "You won't always love your workout, but you will love the results." And right now I am not loving my workouts whatsoever, but I know that I need to do it because the results will speak for themselves. So I'm going to keep trying, keep persevering through all of this, and hopefully find a groove. So again, I added in those boxes with the vertical lines thinking those would kind of be like the start of the quote, kind of the intro in. Good in theory, but more visual clutter, just a lot of little things to look at. We got little words, little lines, little icons, broken up little pieces of color, just too many little things. I cut this one up as well into 3 parts. I really didn't like the gold, but I liked the quote and the color scheme worked. So I kept it as is, but I really wish it had not been with gold in it because again, it's an addition of another color. I felt like it was a little too empty, which I don't know what I was thinking. It was like, add all the things on this spread. This is just goes to show you how kind of out of sorts I've been the last week or so, just trying to deal with all this stress. And the creativity is just not, I'm not in my groove. My workouts aren't in my groove. Just nothing feels right, which I know you guys can all relate. I'm sure you're all experiencing something similar, if not the same. And just trying to find my, happy place. It has been rough, So anyway, again, I try to add in something else, and I decided to use this fitness watch from one of the stat stickers. Side note, I really have decided I don't like those stat stickers with the fitness watches. The watches are cute, stat stickers I love, but the way that they have them wrapping around the watch, not my favorite. So when I create stat stickers, note to self, no wrapping around things, just straight up, linear. It's busy enough as it is. It doesn't need an additional busy, unorderly piece to go with it. So I went ahead and cut that out because I had already used the other green ones and I only had one left, so I figured that I probably wouldn't end up using that anywhere. So I added that in, and then I felt like, again, there was too much little bits and pieces, so I was trying to add some solid color in with these page banners. Again, I don't know what I was thinking. It's just too much, and I know it, and I just keep adding to it, hoping that it will be miraculously fixed, but it's not. So it's all over the place. It just really is. But I went ahead and left it like that. And then here is where I decided, okay, it's the workout stickers. Maybe those are making it too busy. So I tried to pull it up for a second and then I just gave up and I thought, well, what else can I do to tone down the, itty bittiness of the spread? So I decided to go and look for some circle stickers that maybe could cover, like some solid circles with maybe some, little sayings in them to cover up the icons in the workout boxes. So I'm looking through all my books, trying to find some stickers that I think will work and are within the color scheme. This idea does not work. Main problem is that 1, I don't have enough circle stickers in the right colors, and 2, there's this bicycle on 2 of the stickers. it's too big. It's too big to cover with circle sticker without covering the whole box. So that idea went out the window, but I'm going to still try. So you're going to see me flip through a number of books real quick, trying to figure out some options here. Here's one circle sticker that I had on hand that I thought I would keep in reserve in case I needed it. And I'm just going to put it there on the goals section. And sorry, that's off camera. I moved them up and then didn't realize I did that. So what I decided to do was try to maybe add in the black as like a dividing line between the focus and the top to maybe feel like they were separated, and maybe that would help feel less cluttered. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to try to add in some washi. And I also thought it would kind of help segment it and mimic the way that the bottom is, so that, you know, that was repeated. Yeah, I mean, I kept trying everything. Really what I needed to do was take away, and I started to try to do that with the workout stickers. I really wish I would have kept at it because I think I would have liked it better, faster, but again, I was just not in the groove. And then everything was sticking down pretty hard, so I pretty much ripped up the paper in various places all over the spread trying to move stickers around. This spread really would have benefited from some wax paper ahead of time. But I'm trying to show you guys, you know, sometimes you can go into things without wax paper and freewheel it and it comes out okay, but today was not that day. And here I'm just trying to figure out what I want here, how I want it to look, and I got some washi tape up there. I'm like, okay, let's maybe put it at the top and maybe that will help. So that's my next idea. I did think moving the thicker strip between them helped at least create a better separation. But again, that strip is really busy, so I mean, it separated them, but it still added clutter. And here I'm going back to the circle stickers and just trying to see what I can do here. Decided to move that one. Think, okay, maybe anything here. Really, the circle stickers in the Healthy Hero sticker book do not match very well with these spring colors. Fitness has more pastels, the new fitness sticker book, as you can see. So I'm hoping to find that, but there's really not a lot of circles in there. And this is the old school sticker book for fitness, and I thought, well, maybe I could do that. But again, it's the bicycles that are going to cause a problem. So then I chucked that idea, and now I'm just going to go ahead and put in the rest of these stickers that I wanted to do, and then that'll be it. And you're going to see me jump to my revised version. So here we are, and I basically removed all of the black washi. I moved that strip of colorful boxes down below, and I took out all the workout stickers. So that helped a lot. And I think that's going to do it. So I really am just going to clean some stuff up and we will be done. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks you guys for watching, and I really appreciate you guys going on this struggle bus with me. So thanks, and we will see you next time. Bye.